that kid still up in the back?
The kid on the school.
Okay.
What is going on YouTube? Tacked Off Airsoft back with another exciting gameplay video here at Extreme Park Adventures. Today I wanted to show off two brand new airsoft guns, but as you'll soon see, everything that could go wrong did go wrong. Stay tuned and find out what happened. Hope you enjoy.
Oh my god. Oh, I gotta see that. On this gun?
Yeah.
This was like 110.
Dude, why is it so heavy though?
The gun itself, yeah.
It's fucking heavy.
Gun itself is like 400.
Today I'll be using my VFC Scar L. Mounted on it is the Brain Exploder Mach P Q box, and the magazines will be the PTS EPM1.
Oh wait, the game started. Oh.
As you can see, I tried to turn on my new selfie cam, but guess who forgot to put in an SD card?
Woo. Oh, let's see. Wait. Oh, it. Hey. You want to come up a little bit?
There's cover.
Let's cover down here. Shit.
During this game there's a lot of new players, so there's a fair amount of people not really calling their hits, whether they felt it or not, including this gentleman right here, who I absolutely lit up multiple times.
Oh, we won! Oh, we're switching.
Oh, motherfucker. Again. Let's go.
Right behind you. I can't see.
I'm above you a little bit.
I'm going down. Hey, behind that blue, behind the blue.
Behind the blue? Oh, yep. I think he's sniping. That came out.
I'm going down. Top right.
Oh, sorry. Oh, ah. Oh, sorry.
At this point in the day, the new magazines that I bought for this gun were not broken in, so that led to the gun misfeeding, double feeding, doing all sorts of things, and it was pretty frustrating.
I'm running over to where that guy in the black is. You ready? Hang it up.
Poking his head out. Poking his head out right now. Poking his head out.
Is that kid still up in the back?
The kid on the stool and the center is still up.
Oh my god, dude, that's not a spawn point.
Come on, man.
Dude, that's 3 times. Yeah, he's not listening. Alright, fucking got that.
You see that kid behind the tree?
Yep. I don't think I can race it. Where is it? Is it behind that block again?
Yeah, that's the kid. Holy shit, I was about to say, if he doesn't go up there, I'm gonna run up there and punch him in the head. Not actually, but I'm pissed off. Alright. We got a pusher?
No?
Yeah, there's a pusher. Push up.
Hey, what were you saying not to do?
I'm just chilling with the rest.
Oh yeah, I was going for the guy behind them. Yeah. No, I just got hit by that. No, we're good. Whoop. Hopefully we're gonna go to this blue one. Whoop.
You're all in that building.
Oh.
So, going into the next game, I decided to switch over from my Scar L because of the mag issues and over to my Double Eagle Matrix UTR 45. Great gun out of the box with a great MOSFET at a cheap price, highly recommend it. But I soon found out that I overfilled all 5 of the brand new mags I got for it and the springs were destroyed. Unusable, gun wasn't feeding at all. Luckily, I still had my Glock 45 and decided to play the next game with that, but I was soon to find out that the long engagement distance was not favorable for it, but we still tried to make it work.
Yeah, no, I was thinking about the M14, but I can't find.
What? Oh, Vietnam gun.
Let's go, boys. What do you think? Yeah, they're also
Okay, can we go with them too? Yeah. All right, cool. And what team are we on?
We're blue.
Part-time?
We're blue, right?
It's not working.
Where is he?
Damn, I gotta get close. Oh, I guess this.
There's one hiding behind this house over there. I heard the baby whiz by my ear. Heard that. I want to push up, but we don't have very good. You know where you're at now? Right there. I think the majority of them went right.
There's can you reach out there? Right in front of us at that building. He's about to peek, yeah.
I can hit that, but I don't know if I can hit him. Where is he?
Blue thing.
Oh, I got him. Let's go.
See that guy in the brown out there? I'm running up. Oh, nope. Oh. NANI?! That might not be the best.
I know, I got a bad fucking spot. Oh shit.
I can scoot over for you over here. Hey, green shirt. Oh. Is that at me? Oh,
Right here is when I started to notice that I was really low on BBs, and I couldn't get close enough to have any form of an accurate shot on the other players. So I decided to call it a day. I still had fun, and did the best with what I had left. Thank you so much for those who made it this far. I would like to remind everyone that we're doing a giveaway at 100 plus subscribers for a $200 plus airsoft gun. Just want to give back to everyone who supported us this far. Just to enter the giveaway, leave a comment in the description of what you liked most about airsoft. And as always, if you liked the video, please comment below what you liked about the video. And if you disliked the video, please comment below what you dislike so I can make every video that much better. Thank you so much for all those who watch. And Tacked Off Airsoft out. See ya.
You out?
yep.
What you get? Three hits? What?
I don't know. I'm out because I'm physically out of ammo.
Yeah.